In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin OneDrive to Quick Access in File Explorer. If you use OneDrive frequently, pinning it puts it right at the top of your sidebar so you can jump into your files with a single click. We'll walk through the process clearly, and I'll point out what to look for so nothing is confusing. First, open File Explorer. On most Windows setups, you can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar to bring up your files and folders. Once File Explorer is open, you're looking for OneDrive in the left-hand navigation pane. It usually shows a cloud icon and the word OneDrive. If you don't see it immediately, scroll through the list on the left or look in the main window for the OneDrive folder. Next, right-click on OneDrive. A small menu will appear. On some versions of Windows, especially Windows 11, this first menu is a simplified one. That's totally normal. From that menu, click on More Options. This expands the classic context menu with all the familiar commands. You'll know you're in the right place when you see additional entries like Open a New Window, Properties, and similar options you might recognize from older versions of Windows. Now click on Pin to Quick Access. As soon as you do, Windows adds OneDrive to the Quick Access area in the left pane. Quick Access is the section near the top of the sidebar that houses your favorite or frequently used locations, making it easy to jump to them at any time. Take a moment to confirm it worked. Look at the Quick Access section, and you should see OneDrive listed there. From now on, you can open File Explorer and get to your OneDrive with a single click from that section. If you later decide you no longer want it pinned, you can right-click the entry under Quick Access and unpin it in the same way. If OneDrive doesn't appear at all, make sure the OneDrive app is installed and signed in on your PC, and that File Explorer isn't filtered or minimized. Once it's visible, the pinning steps are exactly the same, and that's it. You've pinned OneDrive to Quick Access, saving time every time you browse your files. Quick reminder, this change only affects File Explorer on this device, so you can repeat it on any other PC you use. Thanks for watching, and enjoy faster access to your cloud files.